Remember, there was a time there we would go to Crossroads, at the end of the road.
Yeah.
And they would tell you, buy this color cool drink, so a red color cool drink. And when you get there, you say the names of people and you break it and you turn around.
Why are you saying the names?
You're shattering the lives of people.
Ah, man.
Yeah, you're shattering their lives, and you're just bringing conflict. You're bringing, torment. You're bringing, depression, all these things. You're just cursing people, and that is what we were doing, So we did a lot of things in the ZCC church. The people in ZCC church, it is not a place where God is. We were going to the rivers, going to the mountains, and I want to emphasize how filthy these practices are, because they are centered around sacrifices. They are centered around, you're going to the mountains, to the waters, to the caves, and all these places are filthy places. And when you get there, you're doing filthy things. So you are giving offerings, you're throwing money into the water, you are doing things that you don't understand what they signify in the spirit. But you are gambling with your life. You are playing Russian roulette with your life. And literally it is a gamble. For me to be sitting here today, I give all the praise to God, because I lived a rebellious life, really. And when we were on the mountains, you have to stand there naked. Imagine, Chris, there's people walking up and down, you don't care. You're busy there.
Who are these people now?
There's other people there to perform their own rituals, remember? And there's people in the mountains that just pass.
You all naked in this forest?
Naked, yes.
Wait, Baba.
Naked, and you're performing certain rituals. And, it's so funny now looking back. It's actually not funny, it's sad. But looking back, I'm like, wow, the veil that was over my eyes, that I didn't see this. That this was, clearly it was witchcraft,
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video for lady Look at Sondala Pezetisi was exposing the church for kuqikela phansi tempilo tebantu ukuthi bulala amathalente kubulala nje imphefumulo yebantu in general. So people dragged this lady laphana ku TikTok and said ukuthi hayibo ungadosibhedzela wena ukuthi there are very many ZCC members laba sonda lapha kuleli sondo labathi wena ungadositakelwa wena lesondo lethu nje lesondo lelikahle kakhulu. Looking at a dress code uyabona ukuthi vele ugqokise komuntu losonda khona ZCC, yet uyasho ukuthi akasasonde kulelo sondo ngoba akusilo lesondo lela tiyabuya lapha. Uyasho nje ukuthi be21 lapha esondweni ngalesikhanena asasonda khona. Uyalandzisa nje indzaba yakhe ukuthi yini la yatiko lendiwako laphana eZCC. Some were agreeing with her, but cha uqinisile wona sisi ayikho nje into letheni lenteka lapha lesondelela namgwilingwane kuphela. But some were saying ukuthi angadosibhedzela, and why akhulume nyalo sonke lesikhathi bekasoloku abenzele. Now that yena akasasonde lapha eZCC, so ufuna aqekela phansi lesondo lalabanye abantu. Diyakhala. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Do you think when I would say do you think it's fair for people to drag her based on what she is saying about the little sondo? I am signing out. Goodbye.